कोरियन एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेसेस सिर्फ अपने डीएनए से ब्यूटीफुल नहीं, वो काफ़ी मेहनत करते हैं on their looks to maintain it. Let's check out 2 such Korean beauty tips. Number 1. Charcoal for clear skin. We know charcoal as a miracle ingredient for clear skin. But did you know? Koreans were the one who introduced and single-handedly popularized the charcoal face mask. Started as a Korean beauty trend, charcoal masks are now everywhere. Number 2. Tap it. The right way to apply your skincare product is as important as the quality of them. The women in Korea make sure they get the added benefits from the products by applying them on right. They do not smack their moisturizers and serums and rub it on. Rather, they dot the products or rub it on their fingertips to warm it up and then apply it on their face in a circular motion. They also tap their toner with their hand instead of swiping it on their face for better absorption. Now you can enjoy your Korean dramas and glow just like them. See you soon.